Hey guys, welcome back. Glad you could join me again today. Let's jump right into what we're doing. Today is part 2 on our series of talking about the 7 elements of art. We've already covered line. Today we're going to get into shape and why shape is so important for artists and how it can change a piece of artwork. Shape seems pretty obvious to most of us, I'm sure, but we're going to dive a little deeper, maybe something that you haven't thought of before, maybe you'll find it interesting. Let's go ahead. So obviously combination of lines make up a shape when those lines intersect or connect with each other. There are 2 types of shapes, regular and you guessed it, irregular. Regular shapes are geometric shapes like circles and squares, triangles and rectangles. Irregular shapes are biomorphic or organic from nature, like a leaf or a flower. Geometric shapes or regular shapes have equal sides and equal angles. Irregular shapes or biomorphic or organic shapes do not have equal sides or equal angles. Shape is 2-dimensional. This just means that it has height and width. There is no depth. I would like to show you some examples of what I'm talking about right now on some pieces of work that I've done in the past. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. Once shapes turn into something that also has depth, it becomes a form. And that's what we'll talk about on the next video. So I hope this helped you in some small way at least. And remember, the magic really happens when we put these elements together. So watch the next video. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys.